Well, SB 160 is another bad Gil Cedillo bill that hasn't made it to the governor's desk, but it's, the California DREAM Act is SB 1, and it's on the governor's desk today, and he has to the 14th to sign.
If I said 160, I misspoke myself. You're right, it is SB 1.
Yeah, no, but 160 is a related bill that Senator Cedillo has. There is nothing analogous between this and what Martin Luther King did to fight for the rights of citizens of the United States of America. The young adults, they're not children, they're young adults. If you're on your way to college, you're a young adult, you're responsible for your action. If they're not citizens of this country, they should not be given taxpayer benefits for being in this country. It's very simple. This is, in the greater scheme of things, this little bill in California isn't as important as, say, the no-match letters that were just ruled against yesterday by the district court there in Northern California. That's much more important than this. But what we see is it's sort of like the death of sovereignty by 1,000 cuts. Every time we turn around, there's another group and another spokesman that says that we ought to do something for people that are in our country illegally, and then we hear a whole litany of things that they're bringing to our society and to our country and how great it's going to be. And there's nothing great about it. First of all, any of these illegal alien students that graduate from California colleges can't work legally in the United States. They're still illegal aliens and they can't work. At the very least, they should be required to get on the pathway to adjust their status so that they're in the country legally, either as resident aliens or however they do it. But that needs to be the first thing we do before we start handing over taxpayer benefits to anybody for any purpose. And in this case, it's for the tuition. But that's the first thing to remember is that these are not children. These are young adults. They didn't decide to go to college in September of the year where the freshman year in college begins. They've been thinking about it for a couple of years.
Well, in many cases, of course, they went to public schools in California. They lived maybe our typical